All right, so I would want to try out something. When you click on your text tool, you have the license to type. This is a default text, so you highlight it and then you click on your screen keyboard or your keyboard. All right, this is Excel Media. Then after that, you click on this mark icon. Once you do that, you move to your move tool, and then you have the ability to pick or carry this text around. You get what I just did? To enlarge this text, you can bring your cursor to this edge and then you can enlarge. The same thing applies to this, enlarge. Alright, and then you click on this. When you click on your horizontal type tool, the control panel changes. Here it shows that it's a text. The font name is called Montserrat. It's on regular family type. The size is 51.17, and then it's on shape instead of crisp, strong or smooth and other attributes. Okay, for the alignment, you can see the text moves because you chose that particular alignment, so we are back to our default alignment. All right, so this is what we have for you today, but then I have an assignment for every student, and this is what I would want you to do. I'll quickly teach you how to save a file, and then you would write anything on an A5 document, write any simple text and then submit it to me. And this is how you go about it. Of course, I've shown you how to write the text. Then click your move tool, you click on save as. After you've clicked on save as, okay, I'll choose to name this file as, let's name it 10. Okay, coming 10. All right, fine. So I would want you to save it as PSD. PSD is called Photoshop document. PSD, Photoshop document. So once you click on wherever you want it to be on your laptop, I want it to be on my picture, so, and you want it to be a PSD document, then you save. You've saved your file, and apart from that, I want you to save it as JPEG. There are different ways in which you can actually save your file. The major ones in which graphic designers use is to save as Photoshop. Of course, you should have your raw file in Photoshop, and then after that you can save as JPEG or PNG. Of course, there are other file formats, but the major one designers use is JPEG, like that is to look like a picture, and then a PNG file. A PNG file does not have background, and if you are actually creating a logo, you need a PNG file so that you'll be able to manipulate or maneuver your logo. But that is for another day. Just save it as Photoshop, PSD, and then JPEG. So to save as JPEG, make sure you save it as JPEG, this particular JPEG. There are other JPEG, but this is not JPEG 2000. JPEG. Okay, so you click on JPEG and then you save. You can choose to make it a small file. Look at this low. The more I increase it, medium. So it depends on what you want. I want it to be on maximum. Then click OK. Alright, so go back to your computer. and then this is Excel Media. Of course, I believe you can write whatsoever thing you feel like writing. Just keep it short and simple.